Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to import existing game files in Epic Games launcher without having to the more traditional way like installing game, pausing it, and then exiting the launcher and stuff like that. I'm gonna show you easiest way to import a game without having to restart the launcher. So for that I'm gonna import already installed a game but not imported in my launcher. So for that I'm gonna first of all pause Callisto. Okay, so in my folder, for example, I have this Automachif, whatever the pronunciation is. So for example, I want to import this game. As you can see, it's not imported in my launcher. So for that I'm just gonna click on install, and now I'm gonna select my folder where is a game my game is already installed. So for example, my game is installed in my e partition. So I'm gonna click on this, paste it and select folder. It's not, I'm gonna try do it once again, and so select folder. So as you can see, it's saying that directory must be empty. So in order to fix this issue, first all you have to do is to click on browse. You don't have to do anything here, just rename it to something else and select folder. Here as you can for sorry we need to select this Epic Games folder, not the our game folder, because folder was automatically selected when I click on it. So click on Epic Games. Okay, Epic Games and select. So here as you can see, now it's saying that for that directory error is gone. So now just click on this and copy this folder name that is given by Epic Games. Click on already installed game folder and rename it to the game given by Epic Games. Now folder exists, but Epic Games launcher is not aware of it because it doesn't auto refresh it when we made change in our directory in our game folder. So now click on install, and I'm just going to click on cancel it. And here as you can see, now it's verifying the folder instead of downloading it from the scratch. So let's wait for a few seconds. And here as you can see, game is successfully verified. Now as you can now it's only downloading new files that weren't in the old folder. So that's the easiest way to import a game in Epic Games folder, Epic Games launcher, without having to do the installing, pausing, exiting, relaunching, and so on. Those steps. It's just a straightforward setup of just selecting, renaming, and installing. I'm just gonna pause it for a few seconds until it's almost close to download. So as you can see, it's almost finished, and our my Automa Chef game is now imported successfully. Now here's the actual folder size. See, 3 gigabytes, but it only downloaded 244 megabytes new file that weren't in the game folder because I downloaded it a long time ago. So that's it. That's the easiest way to import already existing game in Epic Games launcher. So thanks for watching. Bye.